Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course Microsoft is in the search for pushing everybody to Windows 11. I think panic mode has started to kick in into Microsoft's head that a big chunk of users on Windows 10 and that the market share isn't moving, and actually they're kind of in trouble. If January shows an increase in Windows 10 again, I think they're in trouble for 2025. And so it made Microsoft do tons of new support pages like this one that is trying to see if you can get Windows 11 on your new PC. It's pushing in so many ways how easy it is to just move on and start fresh with Windows 11 on that Windows 10 compatible PC. So, of course, this is the page. In my case, of course, it says this PC already has Windows 11. But if it doesn't, it will start giving you suggestions of things you're going to do. Go into your settings, check the Windows Update, check for the compatibility issues, and so on. And so you could see also that they're pushing towards, hey, let's shop at these places to get a new PC. It's time to buy a new computer, maybe. So this is one out of dozens and dozens of pages that Microsoft is pushing. And of course, it always starts at the beginning, at the top, with Windows 10 will no longer receive support or free software updates starting October 14, 2025. Here is the keywords that they've actually used on this one. Remember, I told you that on the pop-up of Windows 10 that we've shown last week, there isn't any indication of any paid updates to continue using Windows 10. Here, if you read between the lines, you see no longer receive support or free software updates. Free. So this one hints at, well, there's going to be something, but it's not going to be free. So this one has a little, hint of, well, we'll have, an added year of support, but it won't be free. But it doesn't say it very clearly. Most people will miss out on this phrase. Will say, well, it's not going to get software updates anymore starting October. So, anyways, I think that and all the manufacturers we're seeing that are kind of trying to push new PCs out there, Microsoft, and not just Microsoft. If Windows 11 doesn't catch, if people want to stay on Windows 10, it's also a problem for PC manufacturers. That means they aren't going to sell as many PCs as they thought. Maybe this shows one thing. Remember the PC cycles, the PC sales were always a cycle that went through with the new Windows every time, from Windows 95, 98, XP, to Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and so on. The good versions of Windows were always a cycle where PC sales went up. People would get that new Windows. Well, maybe we're in the new era now that people just don't want to be bullied into something new just because there's something new. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.